Hello crochet friends, it's me, Jonah, and I have a couple more boxes to open today, and I have not uploaded a video for quite a while because this last week I have been in Atlanta designing a second line of clothing for anthropology and spending time with my Uncle Daniel. But let's see here. Our first package is from Texas. There's not a name on here.
Come on, easy. Careful, John, in case there's something.
Okay, here we go. Letter. Don't know it. Okay. And this person did some tight wrapping. I have to pull this out again.
Careful, John.
Oh wow, there's a whole nother wrap underneath it.
Oh, be careful. People do fragile things.
Then we have another wrap. Okay. Well, let's see here. It's a note.
Oh,
Well, look at that.
Show it. I want to see it.
There you go, up close. Pops out. Wow.
What's it say?
Well, now I'm just going to read that. Jonah, you are such a remarkable young person. I can't wait to see all the wonderful things you accomplish. Brittany, and then just an email. Wow. That is so cool. Love that. I'm not quite sure what this is yet, but I think I'm going to find out in a little while.
Oh.
Oh, look at that piece of art. That is so beautiful. I love like all the colors like going through it. Anyway. Okay, so for a second it looked like they were moving inside of here, but wow. And then there's another, it's like reversible, and there's two different looks to it.
Did you make that?
I wonder who made this, where she got it. Prize inside? Okay. Wow. Look at that, Mom. It says Jonah's on it. And it's
Jonah's
like my
hands.
Yes, well, it says Jonas and then my hands, so it's like my own country.
Because it's what country of what?
Ethiopia.
Can you show it to my camera?
It is Ethiopia with the Ethiopian flag colors, and it says Jonas and then hands on it, and that means like so much to me. I've never had anything this sentimental before. Wow.
She's
So
an
cool.
artist, Jonah.
Huh?
She's an artist. She makes those.
Oh, well then, she's a very talented, she's a very, very talented artist.
I think that's a stand.
Look at it up close. Wow. Oh wait, let's see here.
Okay.
This one moves back and forth, so is it like a... Is that what it does?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's a stand. That's beautiful.
I have now my own country.
Maybe you can stand it over
That
by the
is
TV.
so beautiful. You know, this...
First, be very careful with it. First put the stand down and then put the... No, up on top so I can see it. There you go.
There you go. I really, really like that. That was so cool. Wow. I've never seen any artwork like that before, and it's so beautiful how the colors work out. Wow. And it shows us this other piece again. Wow. And then again, there's like those 4 layers of packaging and the beautiful pop-up card. This was a very impressive gift. I really want to learn how to make that, so then I can make one for my mom and for my dad too. So I want to thank Brittany again for these wonderful pieces of art. And now it's time to move on to our second package. Okay, I'm back with my second package. Before I begin, I just wanted to explain why there's a man with a camera filming me, and that's because there's 2 guys from the Wisconsin Public TV station, and they're here filming me today, and they're going to be making a segment. But this package is from Suanna in New York. I was actually in New York just a while ago on the Today Show. Okay, this is like, oh. Hey, I see a note on top. Let's see. Jonah, thank you for bringing back the art of crochet. I learned from my mom when I was young, and I've only seen the little smile of, can't read that part, face when I surprised them with a blanket. I hope this Afghan puts a smile on yours. We are an exceptional group of selfless crocheters. We make and give away effortlessly. God bless you and your family. Fellow crocheter diva, Suanna. Wow. Fellow crocheter diva, okay.
And she made you something.
And I guess she made me an Afghan. Oh, this is big.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
wow. Let's pull it out. Ooh. Man, I was actually just thinking that I am chilly right now.
Wow.
Whoops. And of course, I'm showing you the upside down side. Wait, no, I'm not actually. Wow, look at that Afghan. Oh, that is so cool. I've made a few Afghans sort of like this, and this uses a granny stitch, which is double crochet, and then it uses single crochet, and then yeah, those are its main stitches, and then it rims it in the same stitch of a round of single crochet on the end. I really like how these colors like a hunter, deeper green, and then white. It's really, really nice, and I am actually a little chilly, even though it is still summer, but it's really cloudy outside, and I'm in Wisconsin, so it's understandable. But I really, really love this Afghan, and man, I have so many choices of my favorite Afghan, and people are just making it harder and harder. But I just love this, and it's so soft, and if she is watching this video, I would really like to know exactly what yarn she used and what hook she used, because I think I might know, but I'm not positive, and I would really like to know in case I decide to make an Afghan like this in the future. I love this. I wanted to thank Sue Ann again for sending me this awesome blanket because that's what crocheters do. They give. And now it's time for our third package of the day. Okay, we're on to our third package, but before we begin, I already laid out that Afghan on one of our chairs, and I also displayed. I have that beautiful piece of Ethiopian work, and it's now my own country, I guess. Okay, but this package is from Andrea in Colorado. I'm thinking maybe like some sort of book, judging from the size.
Oh, I know what that is.
Ow! Okay, I'm just gonna check my note before I. There is a note. There is a note. Jonah, let's read it. Whoops. Okay, got them. Letter says thank you on it. Jonah, thank you so much for allowing me to paint Charlie's and Bella's portrait. They are so cute. I hope you and your mom enjoy it. Keep up the great work. I love watching you stay. I love watching you story. I love watching your story unfold. You are a blessing to this world. Love, Andrea. Wow. And then there's a business card. The House of Hammond. Whoops. I'm gonna pass this to Mom so she can put it in front of the camera and show you guys. And then you can pass it back. Thank you. Then there's 3, but now, Bubba. Okay, I guess you're gonna see. Okay, You know, I don't know if I recognize these people or if it's just me. Well, they're dogs, but I wonder if I've seen them. Well, to begin, there's one right in Mom's lap, and it's a portrait of Charlie and Bella, my dogs. And Bella, they're both over here, but of course, Charlie. Yeah, look at the camera guy. Look at the camera dude. And look at Mom. Bobo, do you want to be in YouTube? Okay, she's sleeping, but there. That is the portrait of my dogs, and it's signed right here down in the corner. And this is where should we put this on the wall?
It's a special place.
Yeah, very special. And it looks so much like them. Wow. It looks exactly like my Belle and Char. Wow, it's so realistic in the eyes. They have dog eyes in their fur, and it's a very beautiful picture. And that background really adds something. It really adds its own look. And this is another item that I'm going to cherish forever. Wow. I can tell Charlie and Bella like it too. This is amazing, Mom. We have to hang this somewhere very, very special.
Mm-hmm.
You know, let's move on to our 4th package before I spend an hour looking at this. But it's so cool. I just wanted to thank her again. And Andrea Hammond for painting this portrait of my dogs, and I just love it so much. But just for now, I'm gonna put it right here. Next, well, yeah, I was thinking about putting it right here next to Bella's bed. but instead, I guess I will put it right here. There. Bella and Charlie, my Ethiopian artwork, and then my Afghan. But let's see what's in store for my 4th package. So I decided that I'm actually gonna frame that picture and then hang it in my room, so I always have Bella and Charlie with me, even if they're downstairs. Oh wait, before I dive in, this package is from WeAreKnitters in Spain, and actually the cardigan that is on my Instagram page that I just, the second to last project that I made for my mom is actually a WeAreKnitters pattern, and you should check out their kits too. They're very nice. So let's see what they have here. Oh, that's the pack and slip. Skip that. And ooh. Let's pull this out. Oh, this is already opened. So I'm close it right back up. But the thing is, I think they actually sent the gift to Mom. So Mom, you are in store for a gift. You get another tank top. Using, let's see here. Oh, they're pine cotton and 3 to 4 depending on their size. And there's the tag, the sewing needle, the pattern, the hook, the eco-friendly bag, and then the yarn. And it's an intermediate level. And look at it. Oh yeah, if I'm remembering right, the color was a blue. But I don't remember. Ooh, wow! You got a black. That is so cool. Look at it. It's just like the texture of the yarn and how it looks is beautiful. Wow. Everything you could ever need is inside this kit, and I wanted to thank WeAreKnitters so much for sending me this kit, and also here's the pattern, and I also want to thank everybody for sending me all of the gifts that they sent me, and for sending this gift to Mom, that they're just so wonderful. And goodbye and crochet away, friends.